Hey boys and girls, one of your math assignments today is to draw angles on this worksheet. And I just wanted to teach you how you're going to do it. So you're going to go to Google Classroom, open up the worksheet just like you would do any worksheet. But the directions are to draw the angle to the correct degrees on the protractor. So how you're going to do that is you're going to see that it says 60 degrees. You're going to go up to the top, okay, and you're going to press the line button. So when you press this line button, you'll see that a plus sign becomes your mouse. You're going to go to the middle of your protractor, and then you're going to go to the correct angle. So if this is 60 degrees, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring my line to 60 degrees. And you can even make it longer so you can see it. What I would do, this is what will happen when you're done. What you're going to do is then you're going to make it very thick. So you can say like 16, and then you can even make it a different color so that I can see that you know that this is a 60-degree angle. All right, so for number 2, this is 70 degrees. So I'm going to find 70 degrees on my protractor. You can go to the left or to the right. So this time I'll go this way. So this is 70 degrees, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this here, and then because I already changed the thickness on this one, it's automatically going to do that. What you can also do is add the bottom angle. So go back to the middle, and there I have a 70-degree angle, and I can also add it here. There's my 60-degree and my 70-degree angle. What's really important is that you watch this video before you do your math worksheet, and you have to press add line every single time you go. So even if you're just doing the bottom, so for 145 degrees, I have my bottom line. So I'm going to make that red and thick, right? Then when I add for 145, I need to find it. So it's going to be in between here. And there I have my 145-degree angle. So you're going to continue to do this worksheet exactly how I just did it. If you have any questions, let me know. See ya.